Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to view favorite photos on Windows 11. The first thing that you need to do is to search for photos, and then after that, click on this. Now, what you're going to do is to find the favorite tab in the left section. So click on this one. This is where you can be able to see your favorite photos. Now, if you want to add some pictures on your favorites, just go to Gallery and select the photo that you want to add and click on the heart icon below. Then after that, click on Exit and let's check it on our favorites. And as you can see, it has been already added to our favorites. And that's how you view your favorite photos on Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.